Hello travel bugs and welcome to today's video. Today we're sharing with you one of the best places to visit during the winter in West Virginia. Blackwater Falls State Park is an awesome spot to visit in the winter if you want to do some winter hiking, view the waterfalls frozen over, and do one of the longest sled runs on the East Coast. Like when visiting during the summer, you can get the best view of Blackwater Falls by visiting the main overlook. During the winter, the boardwalk down to the falls is not maintained, so make sure to wear sturdy shoes and be cautious of icy conditions. The sled run at Blackwater Falls is an absolute must during the winter in West Virginia. Blackwater Falls State Park provides sleds and offers 2-hour sledding sessions from late December until March. It's recommended that you arrive about 30 minutes before the start of your session so you have time to park, bundle up, and hear the safety rules from a park ranger. Once your session starts, you'll get a sled and ride the magic carpet conveyor ride up to the top of the hill. The ride takes you through the snowy forest, so you can just sit back and relax on your sled and enjoy the views. The ride up the hill is almost as fun as the sled ride down. The sled run isn't like snow tubing parks, so it's kind of a free-for-all at the top of the hill, so be cautious of others when you reach the top and give others space. To control yourself going down the hill, you have to either dig your hands or feet into the snow, so make sure that you wear good gloves and snow boots. One of the nice things about the sled run is that you can ride with another person in your sled as well. We love doing the sled run every year when we lived in West Virginia and highly recommend it to anyone if you want a fun winter activity. We found that even when tickets are sold out for a session, the lines aren't super long and it's pretty efficient getting up and down the hill. We highly recommend planning your winter visit to Blackwater Falls early so you can get tickets because sessions typically do sell out, especially when it's perfect winter weather. Tickets and more information are available on westvirginiastateparks.com. Thank you so much for watching today's short video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you want to explore more of West Virginia. See you next time, travel bugs.